How to add extension repositories to Cloudstream. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can add extension repositories to your Cloudstream. First is of course download Cloudstream application via Google Play Store or any available app store that you can use on your end. Once you open it, you simply go into the gear icon located at the lower right, which is going to be your Cloudstream settings, and choose on add extension. Now keep it open and pull up your web browser on your mobile device and type in Cloudstream repositories. Now you're gonna have see a lot of options here. All you have to do is to locate your preferred one, or if you already have your repository link, then you can actually do that as well. So say for example, you would like to have this direct links right here, which is for Mega repository, for avocado. All you have to do, since your Cloudstream application is currently open, once you choose on click here options that's below the rec install link, it will automatically be added into your repositories. And that's it. That is how you add extension repositories to Cloudstream.